Y'all, the first wig I had put on, I didn't like how I did it, so I had took it off and cleaned this wig.
This when she showed you that she done eating.
Welcome back, PK Squad. It's your girl Prettykeva, and I'm back with another video. So as y'all read, as the title says, yeah, I'm finna be installing my wig with one eye, and we finna see how this go, y'all. So let me get all the materials ready, y'all. And here's the wig I had washed and did the part already. But I'm finna install it, so I'm finna get all the materials ready and I'll be back. As y'all can see, I already braided my hair and put the cap down because y'all wasn't about to see these naps. But anyways, I'm gonna be using this. I heard a lot of people using this on TikTok saying it works, but I don't know, but we gonna try it out. So yeah, let's get started, y'all. Hold on, y'all, I'm missing one more thing. Hold on. I'm back, y'all. Had to go run and get this. Got to be. Gonna spray all around. And blow dry that thing down. Put some in the back. Make sure the back completely done. put some on the side. You gotta look like Scout, y'all. I don't think I need makeup on this cap. I'm gonna cut the cap off camera, y'all, and I'll be back. So yeah, guys, I cut it off camera. My hairline is kind of all over the place, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to the top so it can look real natural. Somebody. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to clean my eye off camera, but my boyfriend had to put eye drops in. But here's the wig. Let's put it on. I'm thinking I should do the glue, or I don't know if I should try this spray, because I've been seeing it all over TikTok. They saying they holes, so we about to see what it holds. Okay. I think it's gonna be very much scalp. What y'all think? Let's fold that and get the spray. I don't know where you're supposed to put it at, but I'm not finna do a lot. Oh snap. I had it turned. Okay, let's blow dry that. I'm gonna put it on 2 times, y'all, to see what it's giving. Yeah, I feel like it's getting sticky. Like it's really gonna work. Okay, let's try to put this bad boy down. I think I put enough on this side. Hold on, y'all. Let me clean my eye. We gotta add more on this side. Oh yeah, I gotta add more on this side and tighten it, y'all. Let's add more. And I gotta sew the back down. This sprays kind of stink to me. Okay. So we gotta get something to tie it down. I had bought something, y'all, but I gotta find it. So I'm about to get off camera and go look for it to tie it the front down. So I'll be back, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that spray didn't work for me. So I'm using Ghost Bond. I'm gonna put 3 layers, y'all. My eyes like kind of getting better, y'all, day by day. Tomorrow's gonna make 2 weeks I had this eye. And y'all, when I glue the front, I'm gonna sew the back down. I'm gonna tie the front down and then I'm gonna sew the back. Because I don't like glue in the back of my head. So I'll be back when I put the third layer and put the wig on. Yeah, it's coming along. I just got to do this side, but this is this side. I had to sew the cap down. And fix the part. Trust the process, y'all. It's gonna look better than this. I gotta finish doing my edges, and I'll be back on camera, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. I'm eating, y'all. But the wig I was putting on earlier, I didn't like, so I took it off. Okay, the wig I put on earlier, I took it off. I didn't like it, so I cleaned this short wig and I had put it on. So what do you guys think about it? I tried for real, especially when you can only really see out of one eye. But this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments, do y'all like it? How did I do? I know I didn't do it on camera because I didn't like how I was doing the first wig. I wasn't paying attention to how I was really doing it, but this is what I did off camera. So tell me how y'all like it in the comments. That is all for this video, guys. I'm finna get ready and take my kids out somewhere. So that is all for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Turn on that post notification bell. Get us to 3K subscribers and we'll have a big giveaway, y'all. So that is all. See y'all in the next video. Peace.